are at the mall.
Video?
Yeah. We're at the mall.
Look at Joe!
And Joe is over there in the yellow shirt. He's our friend.
And that's my best friend.
Yeah, dude.
No.
Look at that hottie.
Wow.
Yeah, we're at the mall. Yeah, the mall. Oh my god, she just dropped her phone.
Ow.
That looks disgusting when you do that. Yeah, and we're massage chair thingers. Look at that. Look at it vibrate. Ah! It's crazy. Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah. So yeah, we're at the mall. Right, Clancy? Clancy, I love you.